So the Rationale iCombi Pro, it will have a very good turnaround for the customer, and the staff. They'll be able to push food in, prep a lot better. These Rationales nowadays, you can put things on the night before, it can be ready for them in the morning. Easy interface usage.
So our installation team with the iCombi Pro is improved massively because of the suitability and just the way the combi oven goes together really. There's no more having to install the pipework and the water features and like they used to. It is literally a case of the combi oven goes on the stand, you bolt it together, it's plug and play within a metre. So it is really a case of in and out as quickly as possible so we can get the kitchen operational really. So at Sylvester Keal we offer full warranty support through Rationale. So instead of having to go through Rationale, their portal, their partners, we manage that all for the end user, which is, trust me, it can be an in-depth task, which we take that away. We also manage all the online training, all the on-site training as well with the client. So when we've actually installed the combi oven, we'll then book in and do a full in-depth training session. So one of the sales reps, BDM from Rationale, and the chefs will come to site, we'll book it in for you. They'll spend a full day, however long you want. They'll look at your menu, what you need, what other support you need, and they'll sit down with all your kitchen staff. They'll help create your menu, set up all the programs on your combi oven, and answer any questions that you might need.